Hey guys, this is Peter with GoodieReader.com. As you see by the title, this is the Likebook Boyue Ares Note. This is the brand new unit, 2019, October, November release, depending on when this actually comes out. This is just the review for now. Box is like so, a little bit of info on the back, nothing too crazy. Same with this inner sleeve here, there's nothing there, and you just have the serial number and everything at the bottom. This is by the makers that brought you the Mimas, the Alita, the Mars, the Muses, all those really cool, very high-end, very quick note-taking Android devices. So we're just going to explore the box first, as we usually do. Here's the quick start guide, data wire, electromagnetic pen, a couple languages. That's basically it. It's actually just the one page because the rest is... oh, I see. They go that page. Ah, there it is. I missed it. So don't drop a pop can on it. Don't put it in a bag with a very lightweight pair of glasses. And don't put it in water because it is not waterproof, this one. So you have to be careful with that. We're going to look at the rest of the box, see what we got here. So in here, this should be... oh, cool. They give you some nibs. They give you 3 nib replacements, not 5 as... some companies do. They give you 3, but it's nice that they are in the box. And you get a USB-C cable, so that's very nice. And this is the stylus, undoubtedly, because, well, it's shaped precisely like a stylus would be. How about that? And let's see what kind of stylus they're giving you. Is it the standard Wacom stylus? It is. It is the standard Wacom stylus that a lot of people have been using for many, many years. It is good. You get an eraser at the back and an eraser on the side, and this function can actually do different things depending on what application you're using it on, and the tip as well. It has very good levels of pressure sensitivity. Now, enough for the jabber. Let's look at the unit itself. We're just going to take it out of this nice little sleeve. And it is a flush screen and bezel. It is effectively the same kind of concept as the Muses Mimas was. This is a micro Alita. You can see that it does look exactly like the Alita with the button at the bottom, the 2 speakers and the USB port, as well as the power button up top. And the back has the pretty much exact same design. So they are modeling this after the Alita, which is totally fine because it's their company and it's their product. So they can do whatever they want, basically. And oh, you do have an SD card on the side there that pops out kind of like a SIM card slot does, or a UIM card for all you international viewers. It's the data card that allows you to use cell phone reception, but you can't have that on this one because that's not what it is. I'm just saying it looks like it. So this is the full unboxing of the Alita Micro. I almost said the Alita because it's not. It is the Ares Note, but it is effectively a really tiny Alita. So we're going to do a full review on our YouTube channel and really go in depth on this, but I really hope it is like a little mini Alita, because if you can get all of the Alita in a compact package about the size of your hand, that would be pretty cool. For an unboxing of the Likebook Ares, for GoodieReader.com, this is Peter.